No kids can resist the charm of creative gadgets. With iABC app, they can bring all their imaginative designs to life. To get started, simply open the iABC and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. You'll be presented with a design interface with several action buttons. With these two buttons you can change the viewing angle or adjust the work plane freely. In the upper left corner there is an image library with different themes. Select images you like and drag them to the work plane. You can flip the image horizontally or vertically. Copy and delete it. You can change the position and size with these buttons. If you want to print it in one piece, make sure that the letters are connected to the car. If you want to change the color of an image, just select a color you like and click on it. In the lower right corner, there are 4 actions buttons. When you're done, click the Print button to print your design. Let's unleash your creative genius and design your own innovative gadgets.